Chlorthalonil is a fungicide belonging to the class of organochlorine fungicides. Mode of action. Chlorthalonil acts as a broad-spectrum contact fungicide, inhibiting fungal growth and development through multiple mechanisms. It disrupts fungal cell membranes by binding to sulfhydryl groups, SH, leading to leakage of cellular contents and cell death. Chlorthalonil also interferes with fungal respiration and energy production, inhibiting key enzymes involved in cellular metabolism. Its multi-site mode of action reduces the risk of resistance development in fungal populations, making it a valuable tool for disease management. Formulation. Chlorthalonil is formulated as a wettable powder, WP, suspension concentrate, SC, or emulsifiable concentrate, EC, for ease of application. Uses chlorthalonil is widely used in agriculture to control fungal diseases on various crops, including citrus, potato, melon wheat, cucumber, onion, barley, and ornamentals. It is particularly effective against diseases such as powdery mildew, leaf spot, blight, and rust. Chlorthalonil is applied preventively or curatively to infected plants, providing long-lasting protection against fungal pathogens. Chlorthalonil is a hazardous chemical that was banned in the EU in 2020 due to its potential to pollute groundwater and cause cancer. However, it is still used in many regions around the world. Users should follow label instructions carefully to ensure proper application and minimize environmental impact. Additionally, rotating chlorthalonil with fungicides with different modes of action is recommended to manage resistance effectively. Thank you for watching our video on pesticide info. Remember, when using pesticides, it's crucial to follow the recommended dosage and guidelines provided by the manufacturer. Always read the label carefully and use the product as directed to ensure effective and safe pest control. Always wear protective gear. Stay safe and protect your crops responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below.